I posted this movie the other day showing how you can create these weatherboard cuts into your walls. Now the trick was that I actually created a component. So let's go back to a top plan view. Let's hide that. So let's have a look here. So what I've got is I've got a wall style. It's got lining on the inside. It's got my insulation, a ventilated cavity, and it's got my timber on the outside. Now this is a wall style, and I've added to the wall style the components. Now in the components, I've added a material to this wall. So let's have a look. It's to do with my style. It's my cladding here, and I've added cedar wood, cedar western redwood, and you can see I've got now a texture on there, and it's a component on its own. It's important to remember it's a component. So I've got that on its own, so I'll just close that. Now it's important to remember it's a component so that when you select that wall and look at the render tab, I've got my mode by component. So in other words, the materials I've assigned to my components are now represented in my plan. So when we look at this in 3D, you can see I've clearly got the texture on that wall. Now if I want to apply the same texture to this wall, I then just go to my shape. We're going to have it and replace it. This becomes important, so I'm going to use the frame, and I want the left side of the frame and the left side of the frame to be lined up. Click OK, and there it is. Now you'll notice that I've got two different cladding styles here. They don't actually line up. The pictures don't line up. If I select that, that should be my symbol. I can now change that and replace it with the other one, which should be that weatherboard cladding there. And now they line up. So yes, someone asked, can you put a texture on? Absolutely you can. I've assigned it to the component, and that appears on my model. I think this is a really cool trick. Hey, if you like this movie, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps other people to find these movies. Now, if you want to see in detail how I created this weatherboard, become a member on my community. I'll put the link in the description below. We cover stuff in real detail. It's a great community. People really love being there. So thanks a lot. See you later.